So the trim and power trim work a little bit, I would say, opposite to the extend command. So what the trim command does is when you select trim, you want to pick your cutting edge. So kind of like we were doing before, you pick this cutting edge and then you press enter, and then you can pick this line here. So just like the trim command, if I repeat the cutting edge and I pick enter to make everything a cutting edge and I select this line here, you'll see that that deletes. If I hold the shift key down and pick this line here, you'll see that it extends. So kind of trim and extend kind of work similar in the same way, except the if you're using extend first, that's what it's doing. If you're using trim first, then it's doing that first versus the opposite when you hold the shift key down. The power trim, on the other hand, if I pick power trim, you want to pick an entity, basically an entity to trim. So it's really, let's say we pick this line here. Then you specify the cutting edge or a point to trim to. So if I just pick here, you'll see that it trimmed that line to where I selected that particular point. Or if I pick that, that line there, you can see it picks the entity and then breaks it. So it really, you're kind of telling it where you want that object to be trimmed to, right? So that's the power trim and the trim command.